kami sa Dar es Salaam. Alam ito yung dito, mga laag sa Mikadiyo.
I'm hungry. I want to eat there.
Kita ka ikaw.
Kami Dar es Salaam, guys. Langging, Langging, say hi, hi. Hi, Langging.
We're going to the swamp.
Yeah.
I said to my mother to bring pitaka.
Yeah.
To bring my wallet. But she said no. But I'm thinking to buy my own wallet someday. Because I have 5 reals. I want 10 reals, but she wouldn't let me. So I'm gonna massage her for 10 hours.
Lagi guys, ay kaya naburyong na Miss Balay, oy. So wala mi dito mag window shopping. Kaya wala may budget. May budget window shopping na sa ta.
I want to buy something at dollar store.
Ha? Asang tong bird?
Yung nakanan? Wala. Oh. Mani mo ang place, guys. Ay, ninyo ka eh. Mani ang street sa mohang place.
Job, what do you want me to buy?
PlayStation. And I need, also you need to support your mama, not me.
Or like, what do you want me to buy for you? Without trying to buy you tickets to go to Japan.
Hello! Hello, hindi na tagahayan eh.
Masalan ka na kay may sounds.
You know how to edit, diba?
Yes, I'm her editor. Please, give me budget. I need to buy a new wallet.
Hmm?
I made a homemade wallet, but it's not enough. I need budget to buy another one. I'm her editor. Mama,
Hmm.
if I edit your videos, can I get paid? Thank you.
Yeah, kung mabayaran na tang mita. Tatandam ko.
No, I wanna get paid if I edit for you.
Hmm?
I want to get paid if I edit for you.
Yeah,
How do you move the songs to Wolfie?
I have controls on my wheel.
Is it like a USB?
No.
Then what
Oh,
is
controller.
controller?
Oh, you mean how to put
Ano nga yung now kasi? Pagtarong eh. Say hi. Ay, nanay mong now ba? Sleepy ka? Are you sleepy? Binuangan dyan. guys. Park na mi.
Manood na mi sa Daal Sala. Manood na mi mo. Tadang!
I'm hungry.
Tugnaw ka, be? Tarong lang ko. Mother care, 50% din ang mother care ron, be. Bath and Body, my work before, Bath and Body works. Ha? Ha? Order sa mig shawarma, nag-order mig shawarma guys. Mo lang amo ang dinner, shawarma. Mana magkaon si Ashi, Starbucks, mag-shawarma lang ni. Lapit na luto ang shawarma. Ami kay nilang shawarma dere guys. Mana mo suki. Hindi siya kuan ba. Hindi siya sumol. Dami siya timpla.